Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials: your Gckey credentials and the EDA application number. Once confirmed, open the government site and choose Gckey Sign-In. Do this now so you don't lose progress. Make sure to enter your Gckey exactly, including case sensitivity, and complete any multi-factor prompts. If you haven't linked accounts, select the option to connect an existing EDA to your Gckey. This first action establishes the secure bridge between your travel record and your login. Once done, find the pending EDA application in the portal and choose the link or connect button. This starts authorization. You need to confirm that the passport number and name match the EDA details because mismatches prevent linking. When the Gckey asks for permission to access the EDA, approve it so the systems can exchange data. After authorization, expect a brief processing message. Wait for confirmation rather than repeating steps, because duplicate requests can create errors. You finish by verifying the EDA status in your Gckey dashboard. It should read linked or active. Once visible, save the confirmation screen or screenshot and note any reference numbers for future travel or queries. If the link doesn't appear, make sure you waited a few minutes, then clear cookies and try the process again. Repeated rapid attempts can lock access. If problems persist, contact the help desk with your EDA number and Gckey ID so they can resolve mismatched records.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.